Let's take a look at 13. I definitely think this is the problem that separates the A's from the B's. My personal favorite question on this test. We know B is located at AC and it's at 3 comma Y. So let's draw this out. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know if it's going this way, but I'm just going to put in A to C. I'm going to put in B right here. That's at 3 comma Y. And then we know A is at 1 and -4. We know C is located at 8 and 3. And then I know the ratio of A to B to B to C is M to 5. Well, I'm not going to worry about ratios. I think I'm going to look at distance. And what I want to do is I want to find the fraction. If I look at my x distance, I'm going from 1 to 8. If I can read that right, that 1 to 8, that is 7, isn't it? Now, 7 times some fraction is going to give me 3, isn't it? Well, that would be 3/7, wouldn't it? So this is 3/7, which means this is 4/7. Well, let's look at my y distance. My y distance, I'm going from -4 to 3. Well, that's 7, isn't it? So then if I take 3/7 of 7, I'll get 3. So the distance from my y distance, I'm going to go -4 plus 3. That'll be -1. Or in other words, y equals -1. Now if I look at my ratio is 3 to 4, isn't it? 3/7 to 4/7 is 3 to 4. That's going to equal m to 5. So m then is 15 over 4. Cross multiply, and we get that. And that is going to be my ratio. Now if I look at question 14, I know Q is the midpoint, of P to S. So I know this distance and this distance are the same. And I know R is the midpoint of Q to S. In other words, I know Q to R is x plus 5. So this distance, Q to R, is 2x plus 10. In other words, 3 times x minus 2 equals 2x plus 10. Or 3x minus 6 equals 2x plus 10. So x is 16. 3 minus 2 is 1, and we get x is 16. So in other words, this is 21, isn't it, on each of this? So this is 42. And 42 plus 42 is 84, and that's P to S.